Imagine when you're being asked to integrate the expression x raised to power of 3 minus 4x raised to power of 2 minus 6x plus 3. Now imagine being asked something like this. Maybe in an examination, or maybe you you see yourself being asked such question. What are you supposed to do? Remember that number one, when you're solving integration have to do with lots of things. Meanwhile, you need to know that it's the opposite of differentiation. Okay. Then, when you're being asked to solve certain problems or certain issues just like this, the first thing which you're going to do is this. You're supposed to know that the e dy dx of x raised to power of 3 minus 4x raised to power of 2 minus 6x plus 3 is given to you. That what they are looking for is for you to find the value of y. Okay? So based on this particular expression, what are you supposed to do? You will say then y is equal to x raised to power of 4 all over 4. If you recall, in integration, s raised to power of 3 is equivalent to s raised to power of 4 because there is an invisible plus 1, you understand, which is going to be x raised to power of 4 over the same power which is being raised to. That's number one. Then in the second expression, or in the second algebraic terms, which is going to be minus 4 multiplied by x raised to power of 3 over the same power that is being raised to, that's 3. Again, minus 6 multiplied by x raised to power of 2 over 2. Okay, x raised to power of 2 over 2 plus 3x plus our constant c. Okay, you know that based on the equation that we're being given, after when we must have equate it to just give us exactly what we are seeing here, then the next step to follow is going to be multiplying through x raised to power of 4 over 4. Nothing can actually divide, so we still write it as x raised to power of 4 over 4 minus, now minus 4 multiply x raised to power of 3 over 3 will give us the same minus 4x raised to power of 3 over 3. Then again, minus 6 times x raised to power of 2 will give us the same thing as because there is something that can divide probably, 2 can divide itself to give us 1, and 2 can divide 6 to give us 3. 3 times x raised to power of 2 will give us 3x raised to power of 2 plus our constant c. Now, I want you to basically understand how this functions. Okay, if you're being given, let's assume you finish solving this and then you come to a point whereby you start to become, or maybe you're confused about some kind of algebraic terms and how they work or how they function, don't hesitate to ask questions to Maths Minutes with Francis. Here we make it very easy. We are doing everything humanly possible to keep on growing our community, to make sure that people keep on hearing about us. Okay, so don't hesitate to turn up your notification bell, like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Okay, so that in subsequent time we'll keep on producing something of quality just like this. Okay, so this is what we call integration. If there is anything you don't understand or you fail not to understand properly, please don't hesitate. Don't hesitate to ask questions. You can DM me through my email and I'll answer you right away. So thanks and come back for more. Okay.